Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So we want to find three integer values, integers being positive or negative whole numbers, for m, which is that last constant term, such that the trinomial x squared minus 7x plus m can be written as the product of two binomials. Okay, so what we know about factoring a trinomial into two binomials is the product of these two numbers here would be m, so we have to multiply to m, but we add to that middle term. That's the important part. So those two numbers would also add to negative 7. So really, all we have to do is figure out what numbers add to negative 7, and there's an infinite number of answers. I'll come up with three possibilities, but there are an infinite number of possibilities. So let's see, two numbers that add to negative 7. We could go negative 3 and negative 4. That would add to negative 7. And if negative 3 and negative 4 were written there, then the product, so negative 3 times negative 4, would be our m value. So one of our m values could be negative 3 times negative 4, so positive 12. That's one possible answer. Okay, let's try another one. Two numbers that add to negative 7. Okay, we could go negative 8 and positive 1. That would add to negative 7. And then if we do the product, which would give us our m, we would go negative 8 times positive 1. So that would be negative 8. So that's another possible answer for m. Okay, one more. So two numbers that add to negative 7. Like I said, you can pick anything, right? We could stick with the negatives. We could do one negative, one positive. Anything goes, really. So if we went like negative 5 plus negative 2, that would give us negative 7 when adding. And when we multiply them, negative 5 times negative 2, we get positive 10. And there we go. So as you can tell, infinite number of possible answers, but those are three right there. 12, negative 8, positive 10. And there we go. Alrighty. I hope that helped.